G here, back with another video. I really like my middle rubber floor mat of the T3, but it's falling apart really heavily, so I decided to try and fix it. I'm using the windshield sealant, and this is how it turns out. This was falling apart completely. Big gap here. So as you can see, I'm filling with rubber glues, and it works quite well. This one was falling apart. A lot of cracks in the rubber, but it works quite well. Rubber gloves essential for this task. I am placing the masking tape to prevent the nozzle from drying, and simply using a screwdriver. So this is a place where I want to fix it. I'm gonna apply the glues, both sides, so the glues stick pretty well. Fulfilling the gap, the hole. Piece by piece, applying the glues, leaving it to cure, and moving on. I have fixed this part, this part, this part. Now I'm going to finish this section. I think it's really important to apply the glues on the edge, so the thickness of it will do the rest. Now it's going to take around 2 to 3 hours to cure the glues, and after that I'm going to the other cracks. By the end of the day I'm thinking to finish it. Also, this is not the first time I am attempting to fix my floor mat. 2 years ago I was using hot glues because it was falling apart completely, but the hot glues didn't turn out well. Even now, after 2 years, it's just rubbing off. Meanwhile, the rubber glues worked out perfectly. Where the windshield glues bonded to the rubber floor mat, it sticks so well so you can barely remove it. If it's on the cracking part, it just peels off with the rubber. First of all, I have washed the rubber mat with a high pressure washer, so all the dust is removed. Everything is pretty much done. I can lift the rubber mat. Still the hole here, but maybe I'm going to leave it. That's the result. I'm still missing the middle piece here. Maybe going to get it from somewhere and glue it. And that's the part where I was fixing. It survived the placing in. I think it's going to last even longer.